Established in 2009, Sunday Campers is a professional company engaged in the design and export of roof tents and outdoor equipment. We were one of the first factories in North China to manufacture roof tents, and we have been focused on the industry for over 10 years, exporting to more than 20 countries, with our main markets in North America and Europe. Our commitment to excellent quality and service has earned us a strong reputation among customers, both domestically and internationally. Currently, our factory covers an area of 8,000 square meters and employs over 90 workers. We adhere to strict 5S management principles in all areas of our operations. Our mature production line ensures high product quality and a consistent lead time. We are actively expanding our production capacity to further reduce lead times. With decades of experience in design and manufacturing, we have the expertise to customize products based on drawings or samples, turning your ideas into amazing products. We welcome OEM and ODM orders from customers worldwide. You can rely on us as your professional and dependable partner. If you have any ideas, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our design team is ready to help you bring your ideas to life. Additionally, our passionate sales team guarantees a response to your inquiries within 12 hours. We look forward to hearing from you.